joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer that is now headed to this system. Your outpost on Batu is no longer safe. We have transports waiting to take you to General Organa's secret base on Pucara. I'll regroup with you there. The Resistance desperately needs your help in our fight against Kylo Ren and the First Order. Remember, it is vital that you keep the location of the Pucara base secret. Lieutenant Beck, one of our top commanders, will lead you.
Affirmative. Transport is ready. 9 and I shall personally see them delivered.
Thank you, Lieutenant. Welcome to the cause. May the Force be with us.
Commander Paul Cameron and a squadron of X-Wings shall escort us to the rendezvous point on Pucara.
Roger, this is Black Leader. I hear you're a fine-looking group of recruits. Well, no time to waste. Let's get you on your way to the General.
Stand clear. Deck doors opening now.
You guys mission! Let's go! Up to the door!
Deck is in motion. Recruits crossing to transport.
Initiate pre-flight sequence on Deck 3 for Pucara. I'm getting a high reading on the fuel pressure line.
This guy here, Isaac.
Better.
Hold on.
Check the binary motivator. Yes, I just want to be sure. All recruits must be on board now. Transport is away in 30 seconds. Good. Yes, check the hyperdrive also.
Transport takeoff in 20 seconds.
Good. Airspeed sensor? Thank you, Nina. Black Leader, are you and your team ready?
Affirmative. Engines are on. Red 2, Blue 5, report. Red 2, check.
Blue 5 standing by.
Engage propulsors and hold on, recruits. More ships. Launch. I am Lieutenant Beck. As you heard from Ray, I have been tasked with getting you to Pucara.
Red 2, Blue 5, keep tight now. Let's get ready to make that jump to light speed on my mark.
Black Leader, we're picking up an unusual signal. Are you spotting anything?
Yeah, I see it. We'll check it out. BB-8, what do you got?
There appear to be a number of small craft heading our way. Raise the shield.
Don't worry, I'm coming back for you. Stay strong.
Is there anything we can do, Nina? No, the tractor beam will be too strong.
Cargo vessel TR-141, identify yourselves and prepare to be boarded.
This is TR-141. We are a civilian vessel. By whose authority are we being detained?
By the authority of the First Order, resistance scum. Now bring down your shields and prepare to be boarded.
They'll want the location of our secret base. Tell them nothing. The future of the resistance is at stake.
Don't tell him anything.
I have a bad feeling.
Don't tell him anything, Isaac.
Stand back from those doors.
Eyes forward! Listen well. This pathetic ship now belongs to the First Order. As for all of you and the information we know you hold on the Resistance, you'll all be moved to questioning immediately. As I said earlier, the ship no longer belongs to you. So get off of my ship. You've all dirtied it up quite enough. And move quickly. Patience for the Resistance is already killed.
How awesome. Down there, kids. Down there.
Leave us.
Yes, General.
Enemies of the First Order. We will soon snuff out your meager resistance. You chose the wrong side, and now you will pay. The Resistance prisoners.
You have what I want. You know the location of the secret base, and I will take it from you.
We are needed on the bridge.
Keep the prisoners here. I will return to finish this personally.
Coming back with an attack force. Get to the escape pods now. Lieutenant Beck, we need to find him a way.
Alright guys, seatbelts go.
Pilotos, para su seguridad, permanezcan sentados con sus cinturones de seguridad bien ajustados. Mantengan las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del transporte y supervisen a sus niños.
Alright, you're perfect. Nice tuck point. Awesome. Alright. And then last three doors on your left are gonna close. Watch your arms left. Perfect. Alright, you guys are all set. Your vehicle is ready. And this is R5. He's gonna take care of you. I'm just gonna make sure everything is correct. Good, buddy? Yeah. Alright. Take care of him, alright?
Take this corridor to the turbo lift, then head down to the escape pod base. Those droids are programmed to return you to Batu. Hurry and don't get caught. Lieutenant Beck will guide you.
Recruits, for your safety, stay seated with seatbelts securely fastened. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the transport and supervise your children. Tell them it's prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. Probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. Take those turbo lifts and stay out of trouble.
Hey, you're not authorized. Wait, it goes to the prisoner.
Cover is blown. Find an alternate.
Wow.
Who picked these two droids anyway?
Priority alert. Detachment enabled.
There they go. Fire!
Oh, have you seen the sparks? Of the guns?
No, not up! I said down!
This does not look good. Try to find another way down to the escape pods.
The Resistance will attempt to rescue the prisoners.
They have neither the resources nor the courage to engage us.
You underestimate their conviction. Raise the shields!
Shields? I see no evidence.
Now!
Sound the alarm! All personnel to their stations!
Sir, the prisoners have escaped.
How brave, but ultimately hopeless. There's nowhere to run.
Fire the ventral cannons!
Oh my god. Oh, look at that.
no escape. You will tell me the location of the secret base, and then I will destroy you and the Resistance.
Okay, you're clear. Your escape pods came in a little off target. Ground crews will meet you outside the wreck.
All right, nice job, recruits. Not what you signed on for, but hey, you're Resistance now. I think I have that authority. Right, Beck? Where's the lieutenant? I need eyes on Beck. I know, Staffer is talking.
Lieutenant Beck here.
Beck! You're alive!
I should hope so. Great job, recruits. Thanks to your heroism, the location of the Resistance base is secure. Bravo! Yes, R5, you too.